Capricorn, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome back to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. In today's reading, tingnan natin ang inyong romantic connection between you and your person. Okay? Let's see what is happening. Pwede nyong panoorin ang inyong moon, rising, and Venus placements. Thank you so much, Capricorn. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell. Let's see how your love life unfolds and what you can expect. Ano yung mga strong energies and messages, please, for Capricorn on love and romance? From the Message of Love Oracle deck. Let's get some for Capricorn, please. Chemistry. I have never felt a passion this intense. Okay. Intense. Okay. Ang inyong relationship. Sexual chemistry. Intense bond with your person. Okay. Unexpected outcome. Things didn't go the way I planned. Meron ganyan. Merong changes sa relationship. Hindi nyo inakala. Okay. Inseparable. Our love is always there despite the distance. For some of you, you are dealing with a long distance relationship. Okay. Broken. I feel shattered about this situation. Okay. Tingnan natin from Lover Oracle. Yan. Yung iba sa inyo, merong separation na nangyari. Okay? Someone is heartbroken. Merong pagbabago sa mga plano sa inyong relationship. Okay, hindi natuloy for some of you. But yung bond ninyo sa isa't isa is very intense. There is a sexual passion. Okay, parang undeniable ang inyong chemistry. Okay. Let's see messages for Capricorn. I wish to be like you. Okay. I long for your kiss. Yeah. Someone is missing someone. Okay. Yung iba, your person, parang ang dali lang naka-move on. That's why you wish na sana pareho din kayo sa kanya. Okay. Or maybe this is the other way around. Just take what resonates for you, Capricorn. They have hurt me. Okay. I don't know who I am anymore. Okay. Let's see ano yung messages from the tarot. For Capricorn, please, Capricorn. Love and romance for Capricorn. Yung person ninyo parang nag-aantay din ng inyong tawag or communication. Okay. They feel bad about the situation. Malalim ang inyong samahan, ang inyong relationship. That's how you feel about him. Na parang may kailangan pa siyang i-share about sa inyo. Yeah, mayroon pa siyang i-share yung person ninyo about sa nangyayari sa kanila. Okay. Merong insecurities kayong nararamdaman emotionally. You feel that you are not secured. Yeah. Yeah, may kailangang klaruhin about sa situation ninyo, okay? Your person want to clear things with you, actually, Capricorn, okay? Nararamdaman din ng person ninyo na may gusto kayong malaman na nangyayari sa kanila, Capricorn, okay? Nag-aalala kayo sa kanila, nag-iisip kung ano nangyayari sa kanila. If you are dealing, kung nasa long distance relationship kayo, okay? Pero yung person ninyo, kung ano man yung pinagdadaanan ninyo, kung ano man yung problems, gusto niyang ayusin yun, okay? Gusto niyang ma-overcome yun at magkaroon ng clarity ang inyong relationship. Pero ang problema is communication. Walang nagtitake ng initiative. Okay? Yeah. Parang feeling mo, hindi ka na pinapansin ng person ninyo. Okay? Hindi siya nagpaparamdam, pero naiisip ka niya. Okay, Capricorn? You feel left out in the cold. Hindi ka nabibigyan ng atensyon. Okay? And you keep on waiting from this person. Also, your person is not doing anything. Although gusto niya na sana merong pagkakataon or parang breakthrough na maayos ang inyong relationship. Pero hindi din siya nagtitake ng action. Maybe nag-aantay din siya sa inyo. Yeah, nag-iisip. Okay? May madaming issues na kailangan niyang isettle, na kailangan mo ring malaman. Okay? Tingnan natin. May gusto ka ring alamin talaga, Capricorn, kung anong nangyayari sa person mo. You feel na meron siyang tinatago. Okay? Yung person mo nahihirapan na din actually sa inyong relationship and gusto niyang ayusin yun. But then wala rin action. Aware siya, aware yung person ninyo na may kailangang ayusin. Okay? Parang nag-aantayan kayong dalawa. No one is taking the action or taking the initiative na gumawa ng paraan na para ayusin. Okay? O mag-open up kung anong nangyayari. Tingnan natin. Ano itong Ace of Swords? Ace of Swords, yes. There is some truth sa relationship nyo na kailangan i-reveal. Kailangan sabihin. Okay? May challenge ang inyong relationship, lalo na when it comes to communication. Okay? Yeah. Kasi parang hindi kayo mentally, parang hindi kayo nagkakatugma. Alam nyo na mayroon kayong kailangan i-address na concern about sa relationship, kung anong pinagdadaanan niya, and about you. Pero walang action. Okay? Yeah. Kailangan ng clarity ng inyong relationship. Okay? No one is speaking up. Yeah. Yeah, for some of you, yung person ninyo nag-aantay na makipag-usap ka sa kanya. Okay? But you Capricorn, you feel that you don't have, parang ayaw mo din mag-take ng initiative, okay? You feel sad, you feel disappointed, you feel lonely also. Yung person nyo parang nahihirapan din sa inyo, okay? At sa relationship ninyong dalawa. Yeah. Okay. Your person, yun. Yung iba sa inyo, yung person nyo may problema about sa work, nahihirapan na rin sa work, okay? That's for some of you. But in your relationship, parang wala kayong, you're not seeing eye to eye. Walang pag-uusap. Parang walang constant communication sa inyong relationship. Yeah. Wala ring planning. Yeah. So, your person is also hoping na maging maayos ang inyong sitwasyon, ang inyong relationship. He's waiting for you. He or she is waiting for you to communicate with them, to speak up. Yeah, waiting lang din yung person ninyo, oh. Parang ayaw niya din mag-initiate eh. Parang nag-aantay siya sa inyo. Na kayo ang mag-communicate at meron kayong sasabihin sa kanya. Yeah. Capricorn, you feel that you are lonely, but you have intense spiritual bond with this person, okay? Well, nakakaramdam kayo, Capricorn, na parang may kailangan na ba i-end ang inyong relationship? You feel na parang now, yeah, itutuloy pa ba to or hindi? You're also waiting sa status ng inyong relationship. Pero meron na kayong inner knowing or parang nararamdaman nyo na merong na magtatapos ang inyong relationship, okay? Or the end of a phase of your relationship, may kailangang baguhin doon. Yeah. Kasi merong insecurities na eh. You feel insecure about the relationship. You feel that you're not given the attention that you deserve. Yeah. And you also feel that your person nagbago na. Okay. He or she is changing. Okay. Now, you feel insecure sa estado ng inyong relasyon, hindi ka na secure, nag-iisip ka na ng negative, parang hindi fair para sa inyo ang relationship ninyo. Yeah. Your person feels na meron din siyang gustong sabihin. There is some truth sa status or sa situation ng inyong person na gusto niyang sabihin. Na nahihirapan na siya maybe to keep up the relationship or to keep the relationship. He or she doesn't know also what to do, but nag-look forward siya sa future, okay? Na maging maayos din to, or may mga he or she is looking forward sa mga magagandang mangyayari about sa life niya. Okay? Capricorn. Bakit may Five of Pentacles? Okay. Yeah, 8 of Wands. Yeah. Nag-aantay ka na mag-communicate. Nag-aantay ka na mag-text or tumawag sa inyo, Capricorn. You are hoping na mag-communicate siya or magsabi or makipag-usap sa inyo about the future, exciting plans para sa inyong dalawa. Okay? You feel bad about the situation kasi feeling mo parang hindi ka na napag-iwanan ka or hindi ka na napapansin. Feeling mo nag-iisa ka lang sa relationship. Okay? Nagka-question ka na kung worth pa ba na i-keep ang relationship? Magtutuloy pa ba ito or hindi? You are hoping for that, Capricorn. Okay? Or maybe this is the other way around. Just take what resonates for you, Capricorn. Okay? Baka yung person mo to, yung may problem, na parang hindi mo siya pinapansin, nag-aantay din sa inyo. Okay? Yeah. Because for Capricorn, you feel that nagbago na ang inyong person. Okay? Okay, the 7 of Pentacles. Bakit may 7 of Pentacles? Okay, Queen of Cups, yeah. You're waiting for attention, time and attention from your person. Okay? Para kailangan, kung magtutuloy pa ang inyong relationship, kailangan i-grow ito. Use your intuition. Also, listen to your intuition, Capricorn, kung anong sinasabi sa inyo, based sa inyong sitwasyon. Okay? Palawakin din ninyo ang inyong isip, Capricorn. Okay? What is this? 5 of Swords. 5 of Swords. Okay, Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, you are thinking, parang may kailangan pag-usapan about sa commitment. Merong question of commitment sa relationship. Okay? At kailangan ito i-address. Kung ano man to, Capricorn, maybe if you feel that kung kailangan mo ng closure or clarity about sa relationship ninyo, sa situation, maybe ikaw na lang din ang mag-take ng initiative to communicate. Okay? If ito yung gusto mo, if kung kailangan mo ng peace of mind, if you need answers or clarity sa relationship, okay? Yeah. Because now you don't know, you are confused, you don't know kung ano yung status ng inyong relasyon. Okay, Capricorn? Yeah. Your person, parang bored na rin siya. Okay? Parang nahirapan na rin siya kasi parang walang communication. Parang you're not on the same page. Okay? Ayan. Okay. Yeah. Parang walang openness and understanding sa relationship. Hindi nga kayo, parang you're not seeing eye to eye. Okay. Your person nag-iisip, tayo pa ba? Nag-iisip din siya kung kayo pa rin ba. Okay. So, just take what resonates for you, Capricorn, but these are the energies. Tingnan natin kung ano pa yung mga messages for Capricorn. Capricorn, please. Passion. A magnetic and seductive quality surrounds you at present. Enjoy it. Okay, meron ganyan. Yeah. Acceptance is the key to inner peace. At times, we must accept things as they are. There is no point trying to change that which is beyond our control. Okay, there's that. Criticizing one another will only lead to further unhappiness. Love and accept each other as you are, and your relationship will magically transform. Okay. Passion. Keep the passion. Capricorn. Okay. Take care of yourself. Keep moving forward. Communication is the key kung mayroon kayong gustong klaruhin. Okay. Be the bigger person. Take the initiative and clear things up with your person. That is for some of you, okay? So, that's the message for you, Capricorn. Maraming salamat sa inyo and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!